Hi, I'm Jackie Flynn from Mallison Real Estate. I'd like to welcome you to Unit 6, Number 5, Ibera Way, Success. As you enter this stylish and modern two-bedroom apartment, you will be amazed at the sense of space. This is apartment living in the heart of Success at its best. With a timeless decor, the modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances overlooks the open plan and living and dining room. Retreat to your own private balcony overlooking the garden from the master bedroom. Relax with a coffee, a glass of wine, or simply read a book. The master bedroom has a separate modern ensuite and has been fitted with built-in his and hers robes for all your storage needs. The second bedroom, which is located next to the master bedroom, is also fitted with built-in robes and could also be used as a home office. The timeless neutral decor is continued in the bathrooms and quality fittings have been installed. The spacious balcony, which opens out from the living area, is a great place to entertain your friends or simply have a quiet night at home. With views to the hills, this apartment can be enjoyed both day and night. I'd like to introduce to you Brenda Hunter, our Business Development Manager. Hi Brenda.
Hi Jackie, thanks for having me.
Brenda, what can you tell us about purchasing investment properties in Success?
The Success area is an absolutely awesome opportunity for investors to increase their property portfolio. There's lots of 1, 2 and 3 bedroom units as well as large homes. So you've got an array of different tenants that are looking to lease in this particular area. Some features to look for as a good investment property or something that's going to lease a lot quicker is obviously having extra features within the home, so heating, cooling, security, and obviously a clean property will alleviate any loss of rent or long-term vacancy periods.
Brenda, why are these particular properties popular for leasing with tenants, and what is it the tenants are looking for?
The Ibera complex in particular does tick all of those boxes. They do have a very lock and leave lifestyle which tenants are attracted to. Especially this complex has lots of extra features as well, such as a pool and a gym, and very close to the bus and trains.
Oh, that's
so
great.
Lots of amenities as well.
Oh, that's great. Thanks, Brenda.
Thanks, Jackie.
For your recreation needs, a beautiful sparkling pool with barbecue facilities and children's playground is available for use by residents. For those leading a busy life who still want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, a fully fitted out gymnasium is located within the complex. No more excuses to avoid the gym, it's right on your doorstep. Located close to the Cockburn Central Precinct and all it has to offer, this apartment has everything you need. The major shopping complex of Cockburn Gateways, the Gate and local restaurants and bars are within walking distance. Transport links to the Cockburn Central train station are easily accessible, as well as a footpath if you choose to walk. Thank you for taking the time to view this beautiful apartment. I look forward to meeting you at one of our home opens. If you'd like to organise a private viewing, feel free to call me.